When taking your Solis out of storage, either after winterization or after a few weeks of sitting idle, you'll want to sanitize the fresh water system. It's also recommended to perform this procedure on a brand new Solis or one where you think the water system may have become contaminated. To begin, make sure the 12-volt power is on, make sure the water pump is off, and the Truma Combi is off. You'll also want to drain all the water from your water system and make sure all faucets and drain valves are closed. Then, set the levers on the water center control panel to the sanitized position as indicated in this diagram right here. Next, prepare a chlorine solution using a 1/4 cup of household bleach and a gallon of water. Now you'll need 1 gallon of this solution for every 15 gallons of water system capacity, which means you'll need about 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons for your Solis. Then attach one end of your siphon tube to the inlet port on the water center control panel. Insert the other end into your bucket of chlorine solution and turn on the pump. This will take the chlorine solution and pump it into your freshwater tank. Once you've siphoned up all the solution, turn off the pump and complete filling the tank with fresh water. Now, it's quickest to do this by disconnecting your siphon tube from the inlet port, connecting a freshwater hose that's connected to a spigot on the other end to that same port, and setting your valves to the power fill position as indicated by the diagram here. Once your tank is full, we need to get the sanitizing solution that's in your tank all the way through your water lines and out to each fixture. To do this, set your valves to dry camping, as indicated here on the water control panel. Up, and over. Except we're going to make one change. We're going to take this red valve and we're going to point it to the side like that. That will bypass the water heater. Truma does not recommend filling their water heater with a chlorine solution, and turning this valve this way bypasses that. Once we've got that done, we're going to turn on the pump, and then we're going to go around to each fixture one at a time and open both the hot and cold faucets until the distinct odor of chlorine can be detected at each location. In the Solis, you'll want to do this at the galley sink, the interior shower, the toilet, and both external shower locations. Also, don't forget to run your EcoHot in both preheat and normal to get the sanitizing solution through those lines as well. Chlorine. And now hot. Chlorine. There we go. Bleachy water. Once you've got the sanitizing solution run through to each of your fixtures, turn off the pump and take a break. You'll want to let the sanitizing solution stand in your water system for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain the water tank and the water lines. There are 3 valves for this, and they're located here underneath your dinette seat. When you open the valves, you'll hear the solution draining underneath your Solis. When the draining stops, close the valves back up. Next, we need to remove any remaining sanitizing solution from the water tank and water lines. To do that, you're going to fill up your water tank completely. Once it's full, set the valves on your water control center panel to the dry camping position and turn on the pump. Now, the first time you turn your pump on, it may run for a couple minutes as it fills up the tank on the water heater. That's normal, that's okay. So now that you've got fresh water in your tank, you're going to turn on each tap one at a time, hot then cold, until you can no longer detect the smell of chlorine in the water coming out. You're going to do this at the galley sink, the interior shower, the toilet, both exterior shower locations, and don't forget to operate your EcoHot as well. Once you've done all that, your water system is sanitized and you can use it as normal.